how I cook my ribeye steak. I will answer that later. But first of all, I will introduce myself. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight I will make a ribeye steak for dinner. Sunday is a big meal day, our big meal night. Here I got butter. Of course, I season my steak. I have my boiled small potatoes. Now let's start. So I put the garlic and I will mix it so the flavor of the garlic is on the butter. And then of course don't forget for the rosemary. It's because the rosemary will you know that your steak will be smells good and taste good. So now I put my steak. I'll cook now. The secret of cooking the steak is don't overcook. So your steak will not be hard and it's chewy. So to make it soft, all you do is don't overcook. So now I cook my steak medium, so there's a red inside. And then I check the fats. I don't take the fats. It's because that's how I check my steak if it's good. When you check the fats that it's soft, it means your steak is soft too. It's not chewy. Now I need to set aside my steak so the steak will rest. Then I put my vegetables, asparagus, white onions, and the bell pepper for my side. And also I have my garlic potato later. So it's a big meal. It's really quick and easy to prepare for dinner for your loved ones. It's like you're in a restaurant. That they have asparagus, they have potatoes and your sidings. So I just split into two for me and for my husband. So now asparagus split into two, and then I put my boiled potatoes. There. So now I put my minced garlic and I put more butter. So your garlic potato, there's a flavor also there. It's because of the oil of your steak. So now I season it so there's flavor. And I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. So let's check it now. Here we go. It's soft, tender, so it's medium. It's red inside. See that? Thanks for watching.